you can't sell those on Amazon just because you have a commercial license through Midjourney. It doesn't work. It's still infringing on a brand.
Is it legal to use AI art for print on demand? Is it commercial free?
Yes. So there's multiple sort of levels to this, or areas,
Yes.
and I made a
Yes.
separate video about this. But essentially, there's three main questions you have to ask. First of all, the marketplace that you're selling on, does it allow AI art, or does it, maybe I should say, does it specifically say that you cannot use AI art? So if you look at the terms and conditions, is there anything about AI art in there telling you not to use it? I've done that research on multiple platforms, and it doesn't typically seem to be the case. And I've emailed platforms and shown the responses in that video that I mentioned. And it seems to be that they don't really mind whether it's AI or whether you've created it yourself. That video was a few months ago, though, so I'm telling you this so you can do your own research. So the first level is the marketplace policies.
Okay.
That's what's important. Then the second category to check would be, do you have a license for the AI tool you're using? So Midjourney, for example, used to have a free plan. I don't think they have that anymore. But with the free plan, you didn't get a commercial license. You would have to have a paid subscription. So always check if the AI generator that you're using actually gives you commercial rights. Leonardo, I think the free plan, you can even use the images commercially. So that's a good one. But always double check, because these rules can always change over time. So that's the second thing, is do you have commercial rights through the AI generator? And then the third thing, and this applies to print on demand in general, and is super important, is what sorts of graphics do you actually generate? Because if we look through like the explore pages or the community feeds on all of these AI tools, you usually see a lot of infringing content, which is okay if you're just using it, for personal use or for fun, for exploration with the tools, that's fine. But if you want to sell it on Amazon, say, or Etsy, and to give an example, let's say you're creating Star Wars themed designs like Darth Vader, you can't sell those on Amazon just because you have a commercial license through Midjourney. It doesn't work. It's still infringing on a brand. Same goes for celebrities. A lot of people generate AI art with celebrities in them. So that is still not allowed, regardless of it being AI art. If you're just creating, let's say, dinosaur designs, that's fine. Okay, it's the branded stuff that's not allowed. This clip was actually taken from a 1-hour interview that I had on Juna or Detour Shirts channel, where we covered 11 different questions regarding AI art for print on demand sellers. So if you don't want to miss out on all of that valuable information, make sure to check out this video next and subscribe to Juna's channel as well. He's a great guy, has amazing print on demand videos, and he also covers different AI tools.